and they are in competition. Every team one and a bunch here. You feel Osman Dembele. Na Yamia Duman. Are you coming Thursday? And we wait for Nations League semi-final. And your my first pin. Romani are France and the bunny. Nanu and Qatar. You feel a me a man say from to just say. And then is a bunch here. You feel Osman Dembele say born one in Bonnie and Jatitia. And Kawunshano. I was Bill, no moment Akatana, you feel Osman Dembele, and you tell me to a particular kennel, once to be Bobbing, Omekaya, and you Saturday, Mamuko we for 10% final, your Manchane, Romugusa, Omuchomanian, and Chinije, Lami Yamasa, and they say Omupe challenge you party, and Osman Dembele, Emless P, then common France, so I spin against France, and I am some kakran, yet a 4 pound amateur, ya metewa some answer tomorrow, Ewan Chimani song, and yan sang Ketaka. Now, and the main to sing, Macau St. Peter Chose, Yamia Taman, on the 15th of this month, a June, na and the game and submit to me to that, na Gamson, a FIFA Club World Cup, na Sika Tasman Bema. And Yansa Ketaka. Now, and then a reporter, our Sky Sports, Mobian Channel, a reporter, and one sudden to town on FIFA Club World Cup 80 open year. Yes, 80 Bianque. Na Yanko to the panel, na Enema and 80 Yakama. Ever Jimenez, FIFA Club World Cup.
Breaking news regarding the Club World Cup. Chief reporter Kave Solokol with me. What is it?
Well, I think FIFA will announce later today that the prize money for the Club World Cup this summer is going to be $1 billion. Ooh. Now, that is very good news for the 32 teams who are playing in this new expanded tournament. And of course, that includes Manchester City and Chelsea. Now, my information is that if a team does very, very well in this tournament, for instance, get to the Final Four, get to the final, or even win it, you could be looking at making up to $100 million. That is just for 4 weeks' work in the United States this summer. To put that into perspective, for instance, if a team qualifies for the Champions League and does well in the Champions League, you probably make around £100 million. So this tournament, the prize money on offer to these big clubs like Manchester City and Chelsea is the equivalent of the kind of money you would expect to make from the Champions League. A lot of people have been saying, why do we have this tournament? Nobody's interested. The players are knackered. Broadcasters are not going to be interested in showing it. Fans won't buy tickets. I've always been saying to you, yes, that is one side of the story. But another side of the story is that the clubs actually want to play in it because they think they can make a lot of money from it. And today we are going to get the proof that they will be making a lot of money. We'll get a lot more details, but $1 billion. FIFA Club World Cup on the 15th of this month, and they will bet on $1 billion probable US dollars. And on Sanso Petimiaka, and Yansan Ketaka, a tournament, and they Sikawa Meteun Sampi, and so added to him a reporter, and the Sky Sports our wiki, one month to Altemai, our Jumadiswa, and Yansan Keta, and they so come on, you're for England, you're Benny Chelsea. And a tima, ye Man City, and a omu compete one ma, me do one sub answer tomorrow. Ever Jimmy Sanyan saying Keta, Eddie Sarai, ne far for Frotoso, ne yen think come on, ever Jimmy so, ne prepare so team ye pay, a tip Marinda so, na mempana yen tip voice ne, na yen quanim and so, ne animal so etim ye come on, ne any story no, a tima, ye Chelsea, Chelsea, omo ona. Former owner, your friend Ayopenia, your friend Abramovich, Eddie Patropi, Kowachimami, Kowachimami, young starting, na young Koyachina, say young starting to Marino, na and your command, breaking news from a Sky Sports, and it's a reporter, and they were here to pan, and Tamamichi or Openia, you feel Roman Abramovich, Russian International, and you chase your former owner, and some clan. And the able bar from a UK are banning.
Now, the government are threatening to take Roman Abramovich to court to seize the proceeds of his sale of Chelsea.
The Russian oligarch, who is sanctioned over his alleged links to Vladimir Putin, sold the club for £2.5 billion to Todd Boehly's American consortium in 2022 after Russia's invasion of Ukraine.
Well, those funds remain in a frozen UK bank account but are meant to be used for humanitarian causes linked to the Ukraine war. However, Chancellor Rachel Reeves and Foreign Secretary David Lammy say they will take Abramovich to court if it cannot be dealt with soon.
In a joint statement, Reeves and Lammy have said the government is determined to see the proceeds from the sale of Chelsea Football Club reach humanitarian causes in Ukraine following Russia's illegal full-scale invasion. We are deeply frustrated that it has not been possible to move far.
While the door for negotiations will remain open, we are fully prepared to pursue this through the courts if required to ensure people suffering in Ukraine can benefit from these proceeds as soon as possible.
As soon as possible. We am reporters no and omo bodro me papa nya saketa kwa yikota me kwa yikena sam no mo a ele saye tantan ho a ene je tse story no omo ntima basa pasa just left and right babia na omo ntima me ene reporter fi weekend panama ban say ene openia ye fe Roman Abramovich no ene empanimfo si ene soko prime minister o UK was said that mean ene konya aye Chelsea openia ye fe Roman Abramovich na ofi oma ye fe Russia na Russia ntokwa ene omni Ukraine fon ntokwa ene enamso enamo openia ye fe Roman Abramovich ene tim no empanimfo nsoma no forso no amanto tim de ma openia ye fe aye to boli na ene konya on fa so ton san tim no ene empanimfo se tapi atero efin sosin nanso emfuto aya homa tomosi ene omodere kokoto na wa pe chire nsem kama na enema enso temye pe etiwen ayepenia ye fe Roman Abramovich no once that so ensem kakra efro parliament once enso temao ewa twemene so anyansa nketakra etalon ensem kakra efro parliament once enso temao ewa twemene so enti ene Chelsea team no omonya ton omutomye no ene ayinsempi etemaye owner ye fe Roman Abramovich ye former owner to body ebe take over no ene man shira nkoyin en former pay no ene o mesenema oye nema pasa afa Chelsea krate season ene yetime korfa ye komponya mi ya next season eyi for Champions League no enka Roman Abramovich o enka Chelsea tino enka ya kono senchidam ne jaja etiem Chelsea court no ene sen ene petia ko na LOSKY eti openia fediwi fa we to smami na yentin kamona chaka na photo so na yenkwem sane social face boy kono so a we Brazil woman national team no
okay
na
Casemiro
Ancelotti
okay
was starting a juma
oh yeah adwuma na chase
yes adwuma na chase
adwuma na chase
yes
Brennan
yes Ebenanie
oh okay
Ebenanie nti
oh okay
wa share ni players no
okay
on some more assignment
oh yeah adwuma na so papa adwuma na so because Brazil national team no
yes
atete apansama che asay ache pa ante ni nyina wo ho
sure
say Carlo Eba no say na odi team ne ba be ye ti wutumi say eni wo ho pa niema odi team ne be nyina no dodo na ehwe wiase nyina ehwe no
sure
wow
yeah pa to me that Facebook on so
oh okay
yes bogus nice touch it down
nice
yes we Ghana Hanman kai because Casemiro you not to form no muade
yes be 3 crack come now our black coach kasa
wakana na to so Ghana Hanman hey
we need kasa en kan na to so sa ati ase penyi kasa obe kan na to so umuade
e kruma masa ke be story
oh yeah
se otwado kasana she on rafia on wakana na to so kra enye easy kra nti ma me report about konso Brazil one so e ma report no on open Carlo Ancelotti yeah was started 20 yente cinema second
with 22 of the 25 players called up was a closed door meeting, as you can see in the images that we bring you here at Literal News. Angelo gathered all 22 players who were already present on Monday, after lunch, for a very intense meeting, so that the athletes could already receive his ideas for the game for the Brazilian national team, looking at the long term, which is the complete cycle until the 2026 World Cup, and also looking at the very short term, which is focusing on the specificities of the game already for the match against the Ecuadorian team, next Thursday. The meeting was very productive. This was Carlo Ancelotti's first contact. You saw in the images we brought to you on Sunday night of the first meeting of the athletes with the Italian coach, that the atmosphere was very friendly, that the atmosphere was one of trust between the players and Carletto and between Carletto and the player. This meeting was very important and will not be the only one. At least 2 more meetings are planned until the final meeting, which is the pre-training meeting before leaving the hotel in Guayaquil for the Isidro
Eti eni channel eti eni bazi wamona share team no is a PDF Carlo Ancelotti one of my Italy one ene kompa tuma enso ma head coach enya sanketa kwatano eyen kama ke fro pa metewa sam enso ne atoda ewa dwumare so enya sanketa eti ADB fa trophy to swami trophy no me pa photo swami na me sanso enye hotuma na pe penso etimnya kama ewo ene trophy no me pa trophy photo swami na yenkwemisa eti MP1 na onfa FIFA Club World Cup project front so na encomiginan enso entim tota na penso entim yakama na eni jana pamini tunuanum say eni games no nyame yantuma on the 15th and the games no enso metimi antota na eni 15th no ye benye tima ye fe elali wamoni Inter Miami enso teme pony a first game of the tournament ya sa game enso metimi so na eniman so teme kama down particular na ye benye Bayern Munich wamoni Auckland City wamon so tepe pony ye benye PSG wamoni tima ye fe Atletico de Madrid enso tepe pony na ye nyetima ye fe Palmeiras no wamoni FC Porto na omuso taponi sa game no a first day of the tournament now. Group A, Group C, Group B, Group A. When we games and submit to me to ta, and I have 4 games and Yamia to man on the 15th row, and also pay to me to ta, young on the 16th way, on the 16th row, games here a bit to me to Tanya, ye Benyan Tima, ye film Portafoco, woman Timan, ye fan 70,000. Woman so te peponi ewo lumen fit and lumen fit ayi stadium and the cycem so metimi atotam na down particular dinner Chelsea team no ejakano against Los Angeles FC eti we Chelsea I was say demo mo woto e Mercedes Benz Stadium and the cycem so petimi atotam 8 p.m. and the down particular game no and so petimi atotam na down dinner ayi Boca Juniors no and Benfica and so te peponi ewa Hard Rock Stadium and that on the 16 games no and so petimi atotam eti we games ya petimi atotam na ene games ne toss ye pa eti ye yiri enkakra nyame ye antoma aye wachina maintenance aye fixtures no and so pa on the 17th June aye games ya petimi atotam no na maye want and so tamao na ene mi behwema yibi ene mafemwa mi hu Manchester United mafemwa mi hu FC Barca enti ene Barca aye FIFA Club World Cup no Chelsea Barca team ni enim ene Man City team no enso enim ene team of Liverpool wamunso enim team sayesa ene South England aye Man City ene pomokwa ye Chelsea kwa ene team qualify FIFA Club World Cup this season ye enya saketa mete wansam no enso ne ato enim ewa dwumadi so a enya saketa point sa na ye quality bi ya karo me pa chupin aye for toto so na me point details na yemfa tumarinsi na pania yefe obi Robert LOSKY na wontoso na enapantia yefe Jerasanto na Jerasanto na no mekaya aye Chelsea against aye po bokwa yefe ni aye Chelsea etiba fe Robert no akwadai ekwohye go kama etiba po bokwa yefe Chelsea wo fe bench edempai na akwa okoni pa kakra ewo team na fe Chelsea na ene of Manchester United ena kwe na sika kwadai tuno masa sika no so ewa etrepai Chelsea omunti meeting condition etina bantia ye fe Jerasanto enye Chelsea for wam so betima to back won compared to team ye fe Manchester United na enema enso time kama etwen Jerasanto wokodi pa ewe tima ye fe Chelsea no unsa no ena media to wanim ewe tumani so enya secretary pa PTP yenko yenimisa na foto so we goalkeeper ye fe Johnny Donnarumma enu openia ye fe Chelsea bu gati ayi wontua na ene report passe Manchester United tesomania bra bantel se in terms of goalkeeping tia akwatani oye super oye number 1 na ene so keeper ye fe Andri Onana se omani na amuno manto so a chese wo mo ntokro wo mo so peti mark kawe ne kwa penalty yipa enti ene omu ntiba ye fe PG tinkamo etapantia ye fe aye Johnny Game aye Donnarumma no se ekwanta no Manchester United enso peti mark fano na ene man so time kama etano ayen sem kakra efina se pa mete wansa no enso tema ewe dwumade so a enya ansan ketaka na wei aye tima ye fani aye Chelsea PAG aye Paris Saint-Germain na afi one time PAG abetima kotochi am team no na onse ye ka aye Super Cup UEFA aye Super Cup no on the 13th of August aye tima ye fen aye PAG womni aye Tottenham ena tempe pony enti sada tima fe PAG achi aye Inter Milan ayo muyo pono se omudi Tottenham tia womaso empe time hiepa enti onte se aye Tottenham empe mutim ye no se omuko shete mi se dia omaso enso empe tim ayeshe enti on the 13th of August no ene team aye feno aye Chelsea PAG ebe she aye Tottenham ewe UEFA aye Super Cup no na enema enso time kama enya seketa aye nsam kakra efro pa mete wasam enso ya tuta ewe tumade enso enti eni biaya mame mfasi enti we maye nwo story dada enti mame mfasi bema emna ni koyi pa enti mame mfasi na Chelsea mi ya bofo ba ko meribi emfamfino penia ye fe opi Robert LOSKY enso emfa de akano entos eni ye kwa high street lunch pa ye kwa kwachi eni makanto say secret meeting birthday party refreshment for all occasions and executive meetings no a high street lunch pa and me come for enso table say eni yenkon me na Chelsea yenso yenkwachi eni eni ope ba biatra enso timi atoto ho a high street lunch pa na pepe enso timi kama omo service no aya che wo sipa ye otim se ni me koye enso tema mo bia enfura ni che o ene sautu aye sayo so a police station wa nese unetu aye Chelsea bia ATP park no no wo wani mtentenso mensa ni free no wo se wo na cam school a wo pay high street lunch and bar ye from pedicase no e was 0244 7225 aye 53 na ye ni high street in pay for enso timi kama na enema enso timi kama eni den aye vanish in wasi adwane papa fie ahora say boys any girls will be ensu eridie enamenu ka say ene sawkon ma o amam for to car amam for ko park cars amam for ko park moto ebimu te bicycle so ebimu ti truck so ene epi amom masa enyansa keto omu kwa kodidi awo vanish in na ene moto so mantia guma cheso mu ye deliver bill piano ye den adwane papa enso te power enyansa inketaka ene assorted fried assorted jollof egg fried rice one 70 kami and a plain rice on a pure and a fried rice and a jollof rice one 70 kami na pizza so or vegetable pizza chicken meat and all season and then shawarma our chicken our sausage and your vegetables and your saketa kwanina vanish in and American for answer tomorrow and they our genasi coco chrome one p se temporo and a pen mobian for pericase I was 0537 6565 03 0537 65 and 0241 50 90 60 na when it vanish in and so to me in come out nenya man so to me come out and ya seketa break say and they one and assess and Tuesday saying okon ma dagini posokwa tese amanfo ko ya tese omonto niema enya seketo niema so ekoyi enso ti obi wutu akoto ebe wo so tore ma akoma kuni nyina eyempabo papa ena seye kanfo so temo se ene practice ene yeko na yekoto mpabo udware a wo betim ne apia bonte yes boy na se do nwumre se waju uchese osiri kabi na ontinam town street ni ma tese eye Perky so and I'll compare some pabonibi and so Timiata and yes asanketo or Adidas Nike or Louis Ayo Photons or Lacoste or New York or Polo Quicksilver and so any Gucci a poor may come for and so Tamao and they say to a Kotoro Termacoro and so sorry to me coming. I do not see our store number I 32 a new market at Bronsana or myself do not say market one yeah from 0553 832667 0553 832667 na any package and so din come on na be penso atimi kama enya seketwa ene ye Tuesday
yes
81 omufra chichi ni benche
okay
aba dwenase market so omabidi dwa
okay
omo to enu omo to nyanko mo bia nya no so ne de
na
enema enso entimi enye kama ena wokọ anansa wo wia wo bekọ
menyankoi menyankoi mi wia mi sifo ma mekọ na
okay
makohwe de ekoso
na ene awanwa sempa
bibiasi
anopa na kofise ene de onko ba bia
na ne de last weekends went me anko
wose ne de prof ene de mi ankasa me na obetena ha ene mi nko ba bia
last week wanko so and obeko ba
obeko ya
say adenyansa
ono de se wanko kra na enye ono
obeko
kofi
ba me so
kofi asem ne hu
obeko kofi obeko
na awaso ko practice no ko tompaboa se bi e be chama no
okay
ko de wi a wonante na no odimpa
nante ne de ada ya onfaka na
black coffee anu exercise
chama onfaka
anu exercise exercise
buga yes sir
na bibia bakodi e
okase na tom bibia ekoyi pa bro
ye do body ase na Tuesday
no kwasem pa
yes Tuesday say dia utumi se enyasem to twena se
yes
market ne guso yetwegu wadre na ena wako haba
ya na mintim ko
ba me so beko
yes no ye man kwa ase no ma ye nti se under parliament mi an kobet na mi aduma e kon bia so bana na mi bronya
oh yeah this Tuesday Friday is ya
what's up ko
wase ko na eja okay bia
mi ma drivers for no escapa mi ko mi banyina no ya na ye ka
se akwa bi onam foma o ye na afi na wo yi adwene na bom kakra na onam kwa so kwa na kai gina na o se chairman ba furu na kwa hwe ba me penitent kla
yeah the kind call for be elite na so ko for man
penitent so ba fuka
so
duma drivers ni enyeska ba
yeah ko ba sa wi an ko ba
okay prof my na wase
yeah but breaking news anopa me ho adwuma but we latest aba
okay
akwada na ye fe Raul Asensio so si academy mado defender
okay
na in the report about sa akwada we no on say me be no story say akwada bi akọ oni akwada bi 16 year game bi akọhwe polo ama say o mo de ne court report about sa akwada was so akọtwem 4 years
4 years
yes
okay
nti ye de
de ba no
yes
Okay, you be follow na ahwede ekoso ana. Bibia kama meda sipi.
Okay.
Buga.
Yeah, let's come on.
Ene obedi nkoma fa han ewie.
Sure, Losky, senya wa onim dada no so far. Transfers no mu ana igugus kakra ye reset ahodo no a.
Okay.
They say clubs ahodo no amanfo ni abreo. Because Losky say ebi more decided this season.
Yes.
Also mo pomodi so many best players.
Because
they must struggle power league
yes. Manchester United.
Especially Manchester. Losky say what is Manchester for Dino? I want my transfers no more.
Biblia.
Say
okay.
Momo de no here a player. I can be also
players.
Baby, munya players cry.
Players.
Players. Munya be so far, Manchester Mudi Bebem. Let's give us something in Komokakra.
Okay.
About Bruno Diano.
Now
I say the air current I ain't same P. Mukakra.
Okay.
Just so call for a better player goalkeeper.
Okay.
Coach is on one here no.
Goalkeeper.
Yes.
Okay.
The same Comodiani cost of power. Yeah. Chelsea betim and Jan Losky never dim Komokakra. Yes.
Okay.
Now let's get up for or president or council. Me say there are certain clubs or man call FIFA Club World Cup on a bit.
Okay.
No Losky.
And this one should
the BECHEM kakra about transfers. Manchester City. Sorry, Manchester United Uncle. You didn't know Barcelona. Uncle Bobby say Uncle Fabio Muna. Yeah. Clubs or Spain. They are saying Kabasa Timmy. Better one to me Uncle B.
Yes.
Losky. Okoba. Bedim Komoka Kanafi.
Okay.
They got transfers in
Beda sipi Montame kuchu wa Facebook page no so ya the transfer update eba Bugatti a transfer MP ewa ha omo ba ye transfer ho adwuma na team a ho support wa manana ye de ya obehu team no next season players a eye likely so betima be sia kan ade ama oboboko no ye de munse MP na airbro na yenyi aboafo ba ko me no bi quick one mfro na fei Bugatti nso ento asoma ye dia bet way at the mega money diploma ba nyame so no kroni so betwa bet e wo phone so na wadi sika dia e bet way na make am for dia ma nyame so no kroni so mo app no otum se so de also na so so wudi ya na sika no enso etimi aba betum na bibia so no etimi aye kama Gaming Commission of Ghana enso asenase ya jatum na bibia ekoso utwa fa adwene ene nyansa enso to ho na bibia so no me enye kama density natural mineral water ene ye dika awa search journal say na ade a wo say edwadifo no enso obia nom e density natural mineral water omo so moto enso de nyina de e san enso we ena obia etombi essence ahoni ndura egusan enso we mo no esoni ensese e kachro menkote sikankoto yade a ye friend say typhoid ema oni pedua no essence yade no abapa enso ena times edisa or how we and so brain pediano meba to betima afre 0596 6047 43 na mipa to so no wetimi afre na wakwa kwacho de e number 27 new rate tunnel so meba to main road wa ena omo dwumade no e koso dani danyina na mipa to Divine Hope Herbal Center e de otwa herbal powder dropper na mipa to brema e ban se empema gro onya de wontimi mo adwumaden wo mpem amoba ene nje ho ayo sisi wota kompleno wode no me ba to de eye koko blood pressure ohun su agene entimi enwoba anase a stroke ulcer anase menstrual disorder menstrual pains nyina de me ba to eye otwa herbal powder o si ejana chiwa wankasa obeba yenko Philomena Fosia Esther Alta Mary Aka and Kofi Abwaje wo nyina e wo sehwe dwananse na Active Point Dental Clinic e bona se esian ho adwuma de e Active Point adwuma pam airpoint no otum se yenhio mo fom kra o senan enkekan wa bi na aba o sena ho na opese omudinini esiesie ma asam na asre o se otum asre bi me ba cha bona se o se ba ko bi enatu entokro na abedi da o senan sia Active Point Dental Clinic and eye ho adwuma dane tanyina o man so ye na sehwe yo so dwananse bebia nana dick me ba to ni filling station ona ablonsano so wope ena omo airport juma na man ye 0454 5717 ɛyɛ 79 na mepacho wafre nenko na yankoji Jansen Herbal Center enupa omadi aba no Jansen ɛyɛ mesia mepacho ba ne say typhoid fever and also menstrual pains a drawway in it was here Jansen natural counsels about sexual weaknesses waist pains and also wunsuo in agina wonya bia ebetimi aboa na mepacho gono kinda is a surface and a white no obehia phytocalcium nebi na enso no etimi aye dwuma no edi amount na co calcium no eye hihie mu adwuma eba ne se oyem na etim eye kokwa obetimi afro 0244 7235 eye 41 na mepacho also etimi afro yenko na fe yenkodi enkomo Bugatti
LOSKY one
etiefo nyina ye krado motie wawie
but I see LOSKY ne di ka ma yen che etiefo do mu nyina ase
okay
yes na na botre ne ba na ba se msi etiefo nyina mo tie yen Mr. Jokas nyankopon ka mo ba krakra
okay
LOSKY na me aduma Friday on say etiefo do na efre me say o say me di local na kakra de ba
local kakra wa ha ye be ye ho adwuma
nya pa nya ma Fridays ndie me nko foreign
okay
me ye local transfers na kakra ti for Monday Tuesday Wednesday they may foreign but Friday they yeah team for LOSKY yeah local no kwana man for teams no KOTOKO ni has place o muto
yeah koso
and so ade here LOSKY ye ni komo kakra about the transfers no na ye share from Barcelona aduma na share nti yan ko da me judi nti yan ko enim LOSKY a goalkeeper back when your friend is Alex Ramiro na we keeper the ma Real Sociedad obo aduma pa na LOSKY no on impen bi ko din komo na your films El Dario Vasco I say like TV stations be Spain no musa answer o mate say basa for so mu hia pa na LOSKY we ni kasa mu na o se wono wa prepare for a bigger clubs of Babe fan
okay
LOSKY what is 6 years
what is 6 years
El Sociedad
oh any watch 6 years dey watch pa
on say watch
yeah watch
players how do pina ba no mu kwa ba no mu ko
okay
and LOSKY is Spaniard
yes
and they say pray LOSKY basa for hia a goalkeeper so far the economy there now we see one we prepare nothing na secure down so na just 25 million euros
25
million euros
oh we dey say when you do
now 30 years
the age no na was so kakra yes
but I think say goalkeepers na kasa do mu nyini a
na experience na ba
yes LOSKY na
Ken Luka
se so se bibia ko na wie
yes
obo FIFA Club World Cup na wie a
no okay
na dia meeting say uko America LOSKY Modric enya sam ketwa omo
train no teams na ehwe na nim say obetima bi pie mo ho
aside no Saudi for no so nya presi nya wo pro league mu a
ye wie
yedem na LOSKY poni nyina mu no se team of the nia Luka Modric so pa ye AC Milan na me adma September no ko 40 years wow still AC so mpe
oh obetimi aye adwuma ne de obetimi aye
osi no won say we popo twa kitikiti
say na ho susua
ono onsungwa
na ho susua nti no tumi say ho de ne wo ho
sure 40 years September ya na wo
obetimi aye adwuma
AC there for now LOSKY
obetimi aye adwuma ti mo fa me bia so na de na
enka be boy mpa
mo fa me bia so ma ye
nim se bia network bet kakra e fa de be see LOSKY na yenko former Fulham for striker your friend is Alexander Mitrovic
okay
onimbo obopa na bra na LOSKY obeko Saudi no na bebre na esu sa na koda ibola obo edi e wo kwa himfa oko Saudi wo kakra Hilal LOSKY so kwe no
amfa
ho de
no na mwa okay
o se sama ya o jawa ba on da so no
okay
yes onimbo obopa
okay o free Saudi ho
aba
okay
na LOSKY unim se ne mbone ball ne bad obo 51 games as 47
okay
na LOSKY teams mienu na epe no Everton and Manchester United
Manchester United
yes
okay
seriously
okay
30 years we okay
say onimbo ne bokra onimbo dia problem
okay tumnya na nkebeboa LOSKY yeko basabiem
Barcelona
se so do say Mark and Ter Stegen na brabo no hu so ye
yeah
on the Facebook wo se on mpanifo akata se mo na se o ma no nko
waka chiro mu se mo ma me ndemu biemu a mo nka na me ntuma na mo floor
if you say they say wo je success ni aba be akonwa no won dem atias and ono so sa kire say national team no atias manono ya wanyini o se ko na kebe sha nan onya bi na be dia mo na koda national team ate ti se de kwore de ne no na Barcelona for Chelsea sadia ebe mo ko Manchester United Manchester for agia tum ne mu say this should be a swap deal
they were none na come mana
there be 142 Barcelona Ter Stegen to Manchester United.
Marcus na dey say ono no wanya Manchester dwuma biem ti no.
Oh, that be now quite say yeah. Of course Tom yes say sister.
Say obesti say obi
tumi. But non kasa dey Barcelona pa non kasa dey. Ope Barcelona pa
so Barcelona. Obesti ti no.
Oh yes.
Obe bo no pa.
It won't go.
Oh yeah.
It's a friend and common course here. Say 33 years Ter Stegen be ko. Say we play see that's a 30.
They keep an idea emunya botre. Omo pay young goalkeeper na omeda.
Obetu so no na ka we
omeda munche.
Oni na.
Omi nyina o de.
Mataboka. Losky ma yanko Arsenal.
Okay, the Gunners.
Yes. Now for kwada we to Stefan Kenton Timber.
Timber.
Omu ye nuafo.
Okay.
Julian Timber nuano mu ye nuafo. Omu so mu se.
Omu se pa.
Omu nyina bo Holland the national team.
Okay.
No mu se account Feyenoord.
Okay.
Na Losky on a captain for Feyenoord. Wow. Pobo buta
okay.
Sure. Se Losky Arsenal for Chelsea kwada we nyana ye wie.
Omu ni dinachi.
Omu nyi Odegaard ni.
Okay.
Odegaard Losky we mo so on shara nya yi.
Odegaard. Okay.
And I will say we must say.
Oh yes.
So far Losky Kenton Timber. Babe kan nuano.
Timber.
Yes, odi Julian Timber.
Timber dey nya
Timber. Now we find him.
Hey, maso we see ban sa na we baby afa. Timber.
Ye muna to so mo play.
Yeah.
Losky Arsenal for nya prepare for this player.
Okay.
Losky na yenko Wolves. Losky akwada bi wo ho. The fence Ryan at Nouri we Egypt ni.
Okay.
Oni.
On that so.
Hey, ball. Well left back.
Oh, okay.
Or pop ball brutal.
Okay.
Losky na no na say Man City for Chelsea. Nanko omu kobo no for Milos Kekes so mompe
okay
omu akoda mu so mojae no so mu ko Juventus akofa and this can be so but omu akoda betimi abo let's go na
oh yeah
o akoda o
sala mo de ne bia o
yes
o hwe ne face ne kra o sala kra ya se
oni bobo pa
sala mo de ne bia
oni bobo
mo sala mo de ne bia
so we Man City the only so omu ni typically number 3 Josko Vadio center back Nathan Ake center back Manuela Kanji center back edu de mu odi ani apima gugu number 3 na we need the typical left back Ryan at Nouri
okay
Losky akwani mbobo ye pa
obebuo
mo Losky na mpanim first kuntumya ni a
ni chira na eko
say Joe Felix ababo na zamfo na fana we no nya omobo
sembe kure
yes o ko sa to asoko next one yes iwa ya de pa yes Losky on say Atletico Madrid on number so na kakra Chelsea kakra na sa pom no
on so mo teams nketua o
akase nkwa yes eno mo se mo de mo mpa Benfica for so mo sa for made
okay
he's not 25 years
Benfica sanya bad
one no free buy
to sanko
onko to so free
okay
Losky na Rodrigo
to Manchester na
Rodrigo ehu Losky Rodrigo akasembi one that Losky so nya bad crowd
baby on your bad player
play we pa Chelsea draw ye de Chelsea Losky the omuni say what see nanka obeko obese odi Xabi Alonso nsema obeka kire no so on kan plans one o ka kire obefiri akọ
okay
Timat Madrid for mutie player no so wo twen coach no
o ka coach ni hia no dia
obeste beton pedia obeko ono abeja te no akọ so far Losky ni e kọ no yes nti yesi yes any obetra
okay
because onye bad player
okay
Losky na unim say opponent ina mu no Madrid da so ye biem no Nicolo Barrera
okay
exactly next one why are the next one yes onye Losky owo Inter Milan na no mo dey 5 no gina mo
okay
but one sign
onye bad
kra na Madrid force omo nya for one vita omunya Nicolo Barrera o mawie Losky oba we personally Modric akoda ni bobo bebe bi owo no ene nkokrafo na preso do amana ni subri Losky so far 100 million euros
okay
Losky nti di kono no Losky ekwanim kakra ne mfansie na Losky yini nkomo kakra ewo American Losky a club we need the Charlotte FC wa American Losky be Losky sumo we need se ko bobu yanka be boayo
ho de betimi abo
yes nti na Losky say Jamie Vardy se aduma no esi
okay
wo firi ho kra ho na say all crop na de meeting say Losky David Alaba oyo mu target na matefo esen komu nto no mote wo mo se da bi sika na komode ba no sa 8 million euros 8 million euros na matefo se sene akwawe ne ka no sika da no so no wages no so do
okay
ntie ma no nko
omo ton 8
yes on the su
alaba 8
ito bende se almost any canon ski tua ni yewu nti papa yo kwa ngabe boa yen
nti 8
and Dave Alaba Charlotte FC let's get ro ya haya na abeti no ski Bruno de no me break him ye tie 14 ba bia
Bruno
yes you betima come ye fear ha the feed kese fo nya te se Bruno se won kobiem
kai
Captain Bruno
oni bebia akọ
se wajai ahyeme pa
Manchester na dokro no mase wura no wo ye no hwenye yo okọ hen
meti ya merwa hwe pa
Bruno ko ayi Saudi ankopede wo
me dingo jo menti ase da
Manchester team yi wo ye ohene wo team yi
bia me menti ase da
wo ye ohene okọ hen
so ngo ti se die na LOSKY dia tie nie hwe sika nko kwa kwaje wo so nko one LOSKY nko beji 77 million euros per year
okay
nye sika ketwa wo secondly enkabosome bia obeji 6.4 million euros per month also one pay
okay
Telly obeji 1.5 million euros per week also one pay Dako pay obeji 210,000 euros per day
also nko me obetwem gana si wuru kra na etunofo
asem kra mu wa
Ronaldo
because be
honye because the way we see be Ronaldo no kra
now LOSKY the reason why enter one cost na say also person or ye a legend for the club
Manchester United oni ba bia ko
asem na no
o say ubo team na yenyo kaka hehe yenyo kaka hehe o say we nyawa som bie na o say so to aso aye adwuma no and the Bruno ni ba bia ko
Bruno say he say the water sika we nyina chi or person a legend for the club Randy Simon
Gary you could say your money statue
yes
yes statue the amount
into oja ko
bibia kire say Bruno hey Bruno
sometimes on this kebi ani edi
David
we this kebi on here e be kasa wo minim
ti wanko ti Bruno anko
so
yenye na easy for me
LOSKY Jadon Sancho
Chelsea
for so empany biem
sika semtia
dabi
and
something 50 million thousand one a week na dey empe na LOSKY dey Chelsea ne o mutina se ka say Sancho ba na se okọ o mantimanto na Chelsea betu a penalty of 5 million
dey Manchester
and say any problem mumfa Eden Hazard or no or more boss Chelsea just keep Madrid on the normal
penalty aremo
ye betu na you betu so far Sancho ko ya enko ya disase bi Aston Villa
and this way me dey pa se penalty achemo
no problem you betu ya mpe do so Adam yes wogum so
okay
mumfa ya muri ko
wa beji trophy amamo mompe ba yen se beji hu sika kakra di
mumfa
good news pa
LOSKY Chelsea go for a very fine goalkeeper
okay
for AC Milan Mark Mion yes when he adenya go God him go da we be nyande ya wie
eni keeper say mo pebi o
ye nyade osuma by Tracy ya wie dem
keeper say dem mo pebi
because the Petrovic money sa Jorgensen Sanchez squad no so far LOSKY we no the coach ni say the first sign and the first target no be sa kwada we LOSKY na emsa de Dawson
na Dawson Brenner
we ntwato na afeminu
okay
Simeone Inzaghi so o wie anti minia ndm sama mfa mo anti pa Simeone Inzaghi ko Simeone Inzaghi ko Al Hilal
okoto
so for him for you so on to aso biem LOSKY man for we terms of transfers in the besi wa nana ye ka about
FIFA
yes FIFA club work ba no kwana me fancy LOSKY the woman say FIFA for the year 2021 just 4 years in the no share sabi we no mo say 4 years no what team about bra o Europe no e dey do be ka ho on the Champions League on say City ajibi Chelsea ajibi within that 4 years in more so na the time Barcelona anko bi ni say
omuji bi ache Manchester bi ache
on say Madrid abaji 2022 2024 so na the woman say 2022 2024 ni mu ho no say edu group stage na Barcelona film na Atletico Madrid etimi ko round of 16 the other make or say mienu na eko from Spain na eko but Madrid they were winning the on the Champions League match dem Atletico Madrid anyibi dem one wo team
ko say okọ Champions League money to say
so about the Champions League enye domestic league awoje ne La Liga enye Africa bia enye Copa del Rey dem Champions League no ata say wo ya de tisenka Boss at me ko money be a semis be sending an umudi ko kakra
next year do menye bia bo
next year you bet me
because we know
semis and ye tie for se basa ntimi ankwa na ye modern bo a omubo Champions League na ankwa yie article 4 Quran 16 number 4 na group stage and then I'm so moment man ko money mti fa club world cup na de
okay mu chire mu ano
sa na Chelsea Man City aje so kai Man City aje Chelsea so aje they represent England, the best club in the world.
All the best. All the best.
Wish more the best.
Wish more the best. Okay. Let us see Mama Kona. MP so translate on fa Nikakawa Emeka na free yentin si fie na emedi fie nso nkomo. Sports MP.
Losky.
Good afternoon.
Yes sir.
Se bibia bokodi.
Yamiadum.
Okay. Fa ye to aswe.
Obenum so omo asiase ye yambo first match ye so omo so omo kwaji aba.
So mo ka some conference on beje.
Ah.
Ye tie o maji.
Dabio. Losky sa edru be bia sa comparison no. Empesa wo say wo baye. Ndi atie ne ya sample. Conference no dey betumi aka say omo baji because omo na omo so wo ho. Ba competition we na ye bo no. Asia continent different. Come boy for no age competition no first 3 edition omo na omo giye enti teams no omo fi South America no we di omo no megi pa so what I say
okay
na Real Madrid wo team no mu game no mu
Real Madrid yen show mu kwa Champions
City
wo Champions League afi ye
no
omo mu team no kwa
afi na kwa na bu
omo Madrid team no kwa nye
no problem City wo competition so what I say Bayern bi wo but teams akase Atletico
na ketwa wo mde hen
so what I say
okay
Atletico konfo na omo ehye omo kwaje no 4-1 omo kra wo competition
okay
enti
they make sure say obi eni wo okokun a obeka say okokun
no last competition we no omo ye kase
and the Chelsea for ne kase mo
we
ye ayibi
eti an kase kwa
ye ma omo mfo we
bi ase chama no etoro bi adwe ho amen
we no dia tie ne say we no competition we no team sa kase wo mu a in terms of trophy omo enum ba jud gidan num ne rebetis num ne ade no on Chelsea so so no Chelsea go to
Champions League when the cast
yeah Champions League when the cast asem no ya no Champions League when the cast PSG beji ebra ne ye bon
no some shall say day one when the cast PSG
ma chiro criteria mienu a ya de obi obaje competition na abakwasam etesen when no war form no team say ebubo mu we did say Chelsea war form say Bayern Munich no ne Atletico no
David no say tie mu tie me ntie o kana see o tie FIFA Club World Cup na kwakọ no Chelsea say o mu kwa akọje a o say David o mu ntemi ko na big club na me say Champions League brand na kwakọ no PSG for no one can the PSG back
a game and will be and to much Chelsea for the case of Mokodia.
No match make sure say you
me deny or say to me.
Yes, or to me, Joe. That is not the argument. But who Franco for tenor or motor sports as here? A moment actually.
Say now how come say
the history the Yakobo competition the form
and it's like I'm at the
you more Champions League in New Year who could be so be answer when no budget or say this season there but 3 teams Madrid come
okay
Madrid the team in here but 3 teams no so now come for say
no can ya
exactly yeah more ya no munje cap no iyo mu no mu
na dabie nya mo no wana no de okasa okwa akọwe na ba
yenya mo ye obi akasa PSG for beje yenya mo ye no yenya nkeke yenya nhyase obi antumi ankasa
ya press ho no be former stick go ma me bobra bia o mbo mbesa awe enso ebi no maje what obi 5 to check see
e kopa de baby o de bi no
ma come on argue unitim
faka krasos na
ye faka krasos
sorry unitim
losky
unitim I don't need any
the fact is the fact is team no and just say you ganin fi fat no
na fact na ne de
fat na say
check me fact na me
you go competition
and on so beje
and am say
yes Chelsea kwa kwaji ndo
how so big club in this competition 32 teams Chelsea ya big with all due respect you can't tell me say Madrid for competition mu ewo FIFA organized competition. Chelsea
na Chelsea go FIFA organized competition.
Yeah, but UEFA Champions League this season na you for count Madrid for count.
Lost him say Arsenal for Arsenal for semi final.
Then where lies the record?
What's the about competition say? Na Madrid count.
Teams na yabo mudino. Yen fair to football. Mr. Pro for Krana. Chelsea send bottom. Big club ewo.
Okay. E your family na bebe okoyen trust.
Because you want them mean tiase. Tiase na be because the yesterday coordinate sign obi 90 years wade trophy. 190 something year wade Crystal Palace. FA Cup
football ne dey na Manchester.
Into be able to match elali for
me. We give to me say your big club e wo ho.
I know dey wo ho but football no
full. E dey na ye ma big club no.
Tie. Boss mama say wade.
Dey na ma big club no.
E dey pa na wu di na so. Akase obi ya big. Due to the competitiveness.
But we are competitive.
Chelsea how to compare Chelsea to Real Madrid? Competition of Madrid. No, the biggest club in this competition.
Yeah, competition. Madrid won't be a Chelsea for a league. A trophy. You won't be there.
So no,
say Madrid Chelsea into me
that's the problem.
No.
Man, Madrid Chelsea say Madrid back to back according to Champions League.
You say Yakobo my catch or say Yakobo competition. LOSKY no we a referee. I say Edu Bebia. Uti argument.
There
be argument from supporters point of view.
Minya points now.
Yakobo competition Yakobo Champions League. Next season see Yakobo Champions League. Me pasa wo smo buga no koye fair analysis no je fair report eba
abaso mo mediana
omisen kofo say 3 teams baina omobotumi age Champions League 2025-2026 no hwese say Real Madrid for dominate ya adentia ball yam boy Madrid for as Madrid home and away but still kofo bobo Madrid di adanya records no ewo ho na make sure say yakoba FIFA World Cup World Cup win. History no what that. South American teams no come up boy for no. Omo very solid. In most cases, omo push European teams no, especially omo Champions League no, to the final. And so omo lose lose.
Na omo push omo kwaje.
We be teams to say Real Madrid no. Omo trophy no. Ne jinya omodin.
Apart from countries now bobo any teams obobo no obi na obetimi abaji bi man.
No,
and no problem no.
Obi to me but ye mo competition ndru wono. Omo no mo ye the favorite.
Dabi de o kan emu wan say wo say. Dabi na me say Chelsea but you say Dabi. Eni Chelsea ntemanyi because Madrid wo say Dabi Madrid wo me ye o kan. E na ye ko no mo ko to kwa o.
Yeah, buga ye friends.
Madrid ko so obetima we.
Because me nya ne point ni.
Ah, say so. Me tiate. O bebre o. Cause pa me tiase.
Say Manchester for conference Europa League no. Who say Manchester your favorite? They na we gina so can say your favorite.
Due to competitiveness of how European football.
Exactly.
Manchester
into the Chelsea team 32 teams no.
The Chelsea ni bi da.
Chelsea mo bi da. And when you be done, you can't want somebody.
That's the
Chelsea
issue.
na bi da.
That's the issue.
Make sure say your teams are more bigger in terms of bibia
sabre na ye boss adi we no they lost me bo FIFA Club World Cup na say first we could share things we more for picture Moshman ala for team ko final but no e quarter 2 clubs akati fo abam akati fo abam ti lost we no you predictable obi e be chana ho den
okay
it was did you can there emfa
ti faka class so na yem referee na
obi oti ase obi on se blue jersey bi ati ase say ye ko bot 32 team competition
ba enti afeko ma de kwa kwaje ma ti kwa kwaje me boa so mu kwa o mu na be club
ye so
na city ne ma yi Chelsea ye for ho na ye be club
o mu ye de ko di e ko signal na mu so mu ntimi kwaje
ye survey
Chelsea any city one are big.
Winum big in terms of record trophy. Chelsea for ahead of Man City. In terms of form currently say you bought football. Ankasa City for ahead. Forget about
City for today.
No. Forget about season way. You see it.
Obi town not town.
Is it
got trophy who? Kita boys are born of an idea of cup.
Okay.
What was that? Currently and the players. The ball will 4-0.
Me brand a cop and do the fucker crack on.
I said we'll stop bigger.
Then so one of the agreements number.
My argument, me education. No, me education. Which I call record. Record will take European teams. No more here. First 3 edition.
Me you never until the one meet you. When I meet you, Yanko. Meet you.
LOSKY. We see a Chelsea for sports house here, Basabasa, Basabasa. But Madame Fubuno can say, go for Bisu 19 or Monte win the trophy. Because I beat your moon win the trophy to some Madrid and Cayenne to me for football. LOSKY, the Atiani said, Chelsea for a fair to Jordan Sancho.
Okay.
Well, my gacho say, players be over. For football psychologists be abakachi say we did 28 years. That's a born we who bar. Just a way there who ball. In football, player be doing the peak at the age of 28.
Okay.
Who been 28 na still no. One satria who problem. Another last na make catch say Victor Osimhen say Amoshe Osimhen sana wire up and down.
Okay.
Omo be say any career. On say Bugaje Yao Felix Toso. For now, Yao Felix ye nimuno ewo Benfica.
Okay.
And so about Atletico Madrid no. Career no yasa yano no.
All because about big teams.
No, big teams in the obobo but on your impact bia, on your special bia. In fact, with all due respect, this particular season, Jordan Sancho na Chelsea force or more and signing a permanently no. And your impact as in Yao Felix.
Almost is Canada done
no.
One can say performance.
No, this is Unum. Goalkeeper na omo paso omo kwa sign na AC Milan no. Ono na omo dia target because omo tua as much as £300,000 a week.
Okay.
That's £300,000 a week wages na omo jema Sancho no. Just if we tua half a pound. Ever since Okoye omo tua 4 no omo tua half. Apart from ono no. Omo any player no kwa agreement say Chelsea football Premier League ni we na so omo finish above 14th position.
Okay.
Ya said league table no. Ya boy we in Chelsea for above 14th position.
Okay.
Just Sancho any impact with team no so. Into a mobile sign a player no. Surprisingly, should be Chelsea for D beyond expectation. So we more qualify automatically to the Champions League.
Yeah.
And with this agreement no. If the intention is and player no, yes or you're so bad though.
On your bad.
About 42 matches, extra 5 goals, and make it 10 assists.
10 assists.
Good.
Oh, okay.
In most cases, you're back as a player no, every bench in our back. But in the first half,
okay,
against Real Betis, you would we report as here, including Miami Mayman. No Swankasa. Game in Nkwe, but Sancho Baya in a proper voice society.
Okay.
Sancho ya yampania. No, Sancho ama proper voice assassin ewa Ghana. Because game no ajibaya no.
The impact our Chelsea team them there eboa Chelsea.
Exactly.
Oboa Chelsea. But mo ni say sika no, ni sika na wo je no so.
Now when my host am ho. So Manchester for Dortmund for car 17 million pounds. And to some moje pan 85 million pounds okra. Sraka 12.
Okay,
bad market. I don't say.
Ye beton no. Ye beton. And I say be ko be akobol loan.
A best I'm war player because or a young player.
Onye na dwe so be Manchester biem.
So on every tahane issue. But Amorina ba. Ntamorina assessing hwade.
Okay.
That's my first short one in a brief. Chelsea for wenu I say and shut down for Chelsea because issue we no Abramovich and owner of Chelsea view and we Abramovich UK government business but he bought Chelsea didn't come just because honest can if he ever 2.5 billion pounds and yet sikaketwa na so no sika we no ye ton Chelsea no sika no egu bank ewo UK onyi ni sika no
okay
on agreement to say UK government pese omoji sika no ekọ support war victims omo Ukraine
okay
ena omo ehu say Abramovich ene Russia president Putin ewo link kakra nti Abramovich kire say ye je support war victims dia
okay
no Ukraine fo ne Russia fo hina no obi ahu aka nti adan ne yemfa sika no and support wo and va ma ko details into the issue ba mentiase club ne ya ne dia na waton nti obi na so kire no investment na ade on fan ya na
abrafo ne dia na mo niam India ya
according to England for no omo no kosa contract nansa omo ton club no enzo omo no pese omo fi say Russia for no omo akwa attack nti Russia for no enni say omo benefit na Abramovich so Russia ni no so kire say since ya ntokwa ba na two countries no omo aso for no yen spread this can matu na I think I want a point in a wa omo mienu no obi ante ne ho ase a UK for no pese omo court no but case we dey anya Chelsea case bio because Abramovich
on
Chelsea yes your body ni ka ho because ahona
Chelsea for ebeke bia opanyina be bia ma wo mo wonna ma Chelsea Chelsea for ka
ebru be bia mu odin dia omoji wo mo ho jime be ye but abrofo no system no ebia na ntese ye die ya parliament for hina to me koye demonstration ebia na omodia na mo kwan sa but Chelsea for wuro mu a ebobo because so nkofo kasa Abramovich na so team no won nsemu a nche Chelsea is higher than the yehu sesi ai
medase pe ye ba fie na ye be di fie nso nkomo ye be ma transfer kakra ewo ye pono so ewo ye fie nsem ne mo na Kwame Asare or say God bless Liberty Sports presenters or say mo you too much from a dead Piero wa and odi free every ye dead Piero and every my yancha one squad amabadem or wa ho nyina ye checha mo we me classmate prekope we ni papa me chaw enewie na yeba na yabe di fie nkomodia the big family enterprise eba na se abusunya we a omo so pa omo na eboa ye television a me ba to bia on sabetimi akabi o ma so ye fridge bay na ope ye tabletop deep freezer ni na on sabetimi akabi na me pa to eba na se air condition cylinder microwaves blenders fan auto ina omo na ton quality no ready amaye yemfa ye ne enchiremo awo safi dwana se baby a farms filling station one omo edi omo dwumadie no ewo na mane 0243 920371 na me pa to free womo power specialist herbal hospital yaboma baso emprema komako enkono so womo eneba say hepatitis B C A nina omagia tuma omoye ho adwuma na upresrate enlargement immune system me ba to nina omo support boa emabibia kama SK and on the fibroid any kidney stone and as also ho adwuma na eba say stomach upset me pa liver care no and so ebo adwuma pa and liver condition no alias caretakers and on the ye ho adwuma e amount na jerekeje councils and the measure mema de bema obetimi abo adwuma de obehia bi na man 0455 79 78 78 na mi pa wafre boss macro credit eba ne se sikasam dia Ghana ha wo mo eboa ma sikasam enso ekone ni mo pa enti menua ba ma me papa awotemenka ena wie se ope besia eye mi pa boss macro credit wo ma so ye na me di ho adanse ye akanfo de ma susu savings awopese wo yina konya kase da ma number no 0596 920833 na mi pa so no wait me afre haban heba measure edon odwamanso eban say all is appetite menstrual pains menstrual disorder waist pains sexual weaknesses me ba to yanko philomena fosia est alta and a mat heba na yanko gibi me ba to sexual jonase and a mobutuo you also for enko jey mensa drasto kumaso for enko misty heba and a dani heba na money 0248 277708 na Dr. Daoud Eddie Daoud Herbal Product aba na Daoud 366 capsules eba ne so CC ena yo ya sasablo ɛna mepacho adokro ni peduana Dawood 360 capsules ɛna meka for edi amount na Dawood ointment mepacho bone say general body pains and also with CC ɛna ye oya mepacho bomodi answer on sabeka ointment nebi Dawood herbal measure walusu appetite and also ulcer fre 0244 886437 na mepacho also wetimi afre na bibia aye kama yewo fie na yedi fi sem no enso ebro nti yenhwe na yema update kakra ekoso ewo fi sem no transfer update teams no eguso omo edi ho dwuma nyina no yaboaboa no a yedi besom ewo dwuma die na bibia nso no etimi aye kama enso ewo ho na yenhwe na okay here mamo ye you know okay it's here na ye 102 be info adena fine oh okay okay so nam dinka kan no say de ba na bibia eye kama kofi mi hu bia mai nafa okay e wa ha me hu medie no na e say enetie transfer no covid dodo na koso teams dodo na ni able papa fi say ometimi IBB na okay Patrick Razak
yes Omotoyosi
yes wa chance ne has of folk training
okay
yes Abranten has of folk training next season obesan so be bo has of folk team no nti ene your reporter eba okay Abrantia and I say un my Abrantia friend say Michael Ampedu
Michael right back now.
Yes season we be ya has of folk so muntu ne nya dwuma biem
okay
your ball last match ni we are eno no o game amne samates be bo no the last game opening no ebetimi abo na Kumasi Asante Kotoko din komo Abrantia friend say who bet gawu we see akan edema bekum Chelsea Kotoko ne din komo ko akire pa say Abrantia no obetimi ababe si akan ere ma krob ya team no na bibia enso etimi aye kama eno reporter everywhere ba yedi bi enso ema yetiefo na transfer update ndodo na agua bebre na e ha yedi eba na nyame fuseni ono so si akan ede ma instratema on si o magutim no ohonso Kotoko nso edin komodu akire pa sa Abrantia no o se oba na obesi akan ede ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Bekum Chelsea player I friend say Zakaria Fuseni
defender and captain
yes Kotoko din komodu akire pa say Abrantia ne ba obetima be boa ma team no enso agina na so nti eno die free ho ba yedi bi ema yetiefo na dodo na e wa ha nti ma menhwe na memfa 102 bi enso enka ho na yenko yenim edia na meka akraso folk nso eguso many players ni bi etwetwe nkomo na enya sam kitwa akra enya sam kitwa na unum Abrantia ye friend say Kwame Boache yes Kwame Boache haso folk eni age Abrantia we ho si akan edema Nations FC
Kwame Boache
yes Kwame Boache haso folk se munya sa player we dey nkomo dem kra ka obetimi aboa ma team no akonenim bebia ne Gold Stars enso ni di Abrantia ye friend say Barima Ba Taylor osi akan edema Nations FC
okay almost to team imo
oh yes bebia ne Gold Stars for so munya sa player we ya naka o many beji papa na bibia aye kama has of folk asanso show interest ewo Yimano Sapon osi akan edema Bekum Chelsea yes Yimano Sapon has of folk for any blepa say Abrantia ne ba ka obetimi aboa ma bibia enso etimi aye kama edi ama wo mo na set Kwadwo okay no awo Bechem United set Kwadwo on season we was eba na we ya on to asoma Bechem fo ni biem beko na akoto na dwuma so na bibia enso etimi aye kama na okay Abrantia Grassen Awako
Grassen Awako
Great Olympics haso folk TP Mazembe udie edwuma de ma wo pa Abrantia na ikasa or see we have a good quality players in Ghana Premier League or say in terms of say Ghana Premier League ayeboy buga say your qualities
yes
quality no was slow papa or say o compare Burgers na mo be see kind of blasters na dodo na crowd umunya bi mo season kro mo ntime nya matches dodo bi ambo ba ne afro mu na o ma besia kan o se eba ne sana e ha adwene pa
on say at the moment I be hu say league bi good no it depend with the team say from war national team performance of modern no and also betimi aboa because say Benjamin Asari say we be upon the local base players no say do corner ko flop ya ko dem be 5 goals 6 goals because gidie na sanemom say do corner we ade dia and the only thing I be hu say omu ya ade so ne say e odi say do mu kwa ye mom the opportunity emo muntimi mabobi na oba na wonya ade ho na ye problem nke atin say Ghana ade your talent but omuko national team na emo makonya no muso showcase omu talent no obi ye hu so omu nombo ene betimi abo omu pa
ebi obeka bia na
Oscar I think say transfer news ni na sa wo hwa ni na akoye local I say teams akase no na omu as usual no dey course we Europe kura papa na ewo mu no after the season na akase fo no I smart na omu abafa I think so more I to go to Africa. CAF Confederation Cup for ne Champions League for no. For the first time no say so more you be the crowd mum fan say first time. I'm on try no mum fa foreigners ba komienu bi and so mutim no. Two teams na for now you back and say nation for ne bibi ni Gold Stars 9 ba ko si CAF Champions League. Na Asante Kotoko omonai ba kon esi Confederation sa 3 clubs no omon scout and omon try so omo travel outside the kakra eje foreigners no aba especially for Asante Kotoko because omoje ba eye famo mo
mate me da se na ye to so e de local update na bro dia na yentiwe na utumi se anodin pa o see Nations FC leading the league is shocking. I see they were average at best against us. Hasofo, Kotoko, Lions, Gold Stars, Mediama, and BECHEM Chelsea were better. I see if they won the title, they should raise their game. Okay. Also, Basketball Stars, Kofi. Team owner. Or your Pong. And I say team your friends and nations. Gwe mom no bebo wo baseke wo no na ho akoba se no se da bi na team with me lead Ghana Premier League man yi bo no bebo inde na nya kura o mun ni ze we se soro kura mo da ho sa team wo na ka se o hene mpon na ka se ana wan ka se nana anu ayaya na
we di em se anu edin kakra
sa
on se ye ni ayahwe bi ye kuro mo ayahwe the Ghana Premier League no for now this season has not been bad eti akura ajatum se team bia wo wie bia no the performance na enso anything na wie ti so bi lead dia dam se performance na eden e wo soro and also nations away home nyina no omu ya de na mom minim say maybe the eseninti na manage na so dey cancer and to da bi so otimi coach e call a certain game bi mu na performance na nko nyine bia na banya nsa na wo pe no on say going to the game call league on sisi ko show mu 4-1 e wa we wa cry and call basake na amfa ti say maybe just a single game the amfa access team na nyaade on deserve so obeda Ghana Premier League no so
o say omo game on boy on the ordinary hwe bi na die na wo from aye
average say omo game do say na wahwe
ene so ni asem no
because maybe obi wa won two kwanko we games we no kwa na oba ni kro mu nte onya akonya ekohweye club no kra kwa oni echi
e na mo win ntina na ekote echi
se we dia me de misum beta amoji
say the doctor ekote echi se ko kopaji
sanity
okolidi
we misuma beta echi wo so kwa akoja misuma beta echi tinana no kra musa nse maybe doctor kra no nations for LOSKY ye musa omu kwa we ya dodo se na odi echi the nations that this season no omu nya bad but maybe that day no na bia no performance na eden Argentina offer so the ebu matensa but LOSKY this season they have not been bad kra
LOSKY
MP
on san sam na basa na mpanyimfo na omontume nkasa ya no omo bu ne be sa wohwe angre na asam no fie ba na na ntume nka asam na tese the sports for bakanto bobu ne be but to be fair with you with all due respect competition ya about this particular season e wo Ghana no Nation FC no mo deserve so mo budget title no
Okay.
Me ye Nation FC supporter. But say you bought Ghana Premier League. Oh, bien person winning home match. Nation for no more winning more away matches than Obia 8 times. Bien no we winning back 8.
Okay.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko no come hasam no. Kotoko for winning away matches miensa. The entire season matches are omo abaka back ni na no. Miensa ina omo ewini ba Kotoko no omo ewini away miensa no. Ebe home so omo no omo ewini 13 times. It means say Nation FC team no ewo consistency. One was the last time obi kwase omo at omo home. And it's omo west crown no a draw at home. Omo kwa away a omo bobo ni. Nana with all due respect. Bo na ye bobo no. Nation supporters no. Mose mumbie gate mo monko. Na team no be dey ambo ball papa. Original say one say see issue na LOSKY. I say ye breme doctor. Because in say doctor or abandon match no. And some more park no so no more punish Nation FC. No more 3 point no. Emma Basaka for. We supporters no. 20 Ghana cedis na actual gate fee no. Ya ji omu 50 omu duru 50 na chi ni ya see ya mo kwan. Media men from Kumasi ya see ya mo kwan mo mu romu. Nti say hu sa match na wo kobo no. Enye match wo benya 3 points no. Nti in the first place eni say wo ma supporters no kwan. Na imagine say recently the see na supporter na obi jade a chichiri na ni na oka kire na say mo sha hande a mo mfa ni easy supporter no mpie nko. Now football without supporters, who person nation ebo ball papa. That things na na ebe na obu but to me figures na wo han kire say nation for no mo deserve so mo bada so.
Okay, yeah focus no obetimi about room na o share top 10 most and as a top 5 most a clean sheet players no goalkeepers are o mabo modin a baby any goal stars Emmanuel Kobe ono na edikan 17 clean sheet Benjamin Asali Tosmini 16 muda wudu enso etoso eye miensa ono susia kan edema Eduana Star 16 Lawrence Osei 15 Heart of Lions BECHEM United Aziz Helena so etoso eye 9 ewo and the sofa no 0536304072 obetimi aboy room na ye no edi nkomo o dwumadi so 0536304072 say onya kwanya lebo room a ye no ebeto aso na ohwe eye top 5 players o ma shego dodo na eye say enetie Stephen Amankona 15 goals we see akan edema BECHEM United. Okay, yamfa of anyway emla. Hello. Okay. Okay, went me so. Maybe I tell you so bit me about room now, you know what was so 0536304072 0536304072. Now Stephen Amankona ashe 15 goals. Aka one game pe na yabo season na every will lead with a 15 goals. Okay, Yanshewe. Hello, good afternoon. Oh wow. Okay, yonko so na yen try na yen hwe se bibia betimi atoma na yafa wadwenkyere no na onso watimi aba kofi yen hwe wi se befa. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Oda for odin ka se funya wie.
Mr. Kisi ASANTE camp ebe yakudie.
Open case me ba chenti we.
Pacho, ya mi bisan se me table no. Ye hwe head to head and I say goals.
Me ba to head.
Na what you dey abebo yi.
Head to head and sana goals aba.
Because KOTOKO will lose to BECHEM. Oh, it only has a better 58. It's not Mammy Bisano.
Head to head and the share. Head to head and sana ya the goals naba. Say head to head no tire na ya the goals naba be count the sanity. Okay, yemfa wimla. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oda for you ka se free here. Ya waje?
LOSKY, ya frame wa juko yoso.
Oh, KOTOKO kasama for Western of me ba chinti we.
Na ma mention you chika 2 and 2 na as a body na me come attention. Na Nation FC on by almost say. Hwe wako. Ya di ko bobo mu du na mo je environment na mo. The best answer say mo draw we na attention na fi. Ese mo be jabu no mako gina park so na bone dia. Afi na mo be gina say we na yen for the dia no mo anya no chance am. Emayere omuntu fi on omuntu ni leso on betimi ase on let's match na.
Okay.
Na Kotoko nso omonyo omo say they agree there na there bia betimi afa. But the point is FA Cup no me ebayere ho dia ho dia de akoshe o say de be ya. Betimi ayede. A qualify for Africa.
Okay. Yeah, that's right away Jane no enche bia obetumi say obesha ase di djuma de Kotoko or entem ya na bibia ye kama. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me ba chodin kwasa friend here. Me ba chomenti we. Yeah, that's it.
Last month is not our international regime. In case they are nation safety and then out of alliance, so you see a market now, last month now, Kotoko, you know, this man, they are not going to many.
Kotoko bet me a German, say, Omam was running in a loose, Kotoko,